Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. Today, I'm back with a really fascinating topic. Well guys, guess what's that? Today, I'm going to tell you 24 consonant sounds. So, let's get started. P. P for park. B. B for book. T. T for 10. D. D for duck. Ch. Ch for chair. J. J for June. K. K for car. G. G for garbage. F for photo. V for van. For thank you. For this. S for snake. Z for zoo. Sh for shout. For television. For moon. For noon. For honey. For thing. L for lake. R for ran. W for what. Y for yes. So guys, thank you. Hope you liked the video.